Is your refrigerator not cooling properly? Making strange noises, leaking water, or showing error codes? Don't worry. Urban Service Company has you covered. We are Bangalore's trusted name in refrigerator repair and servicing, offering same day doorstep service because your time matters. Our certified technicians handle everything from compressor issues to gas leaks using only genuine parts. All repairs come with a warranty for your peace of mind. Best part? Affordable pricing without compromising on quality. Still unsure? Our happy customers across Bangalore speak for themselves. Call us now at 90193497170 or book your service online at Urban Service Company at Live. Urban Service Company. Fast, reliable, and right at your doorstep.